Hi guys, I'm Phil. I was actually recommended WatchGang by a coworker of my wife's who had a very high opinion of the service. So I decided to try it myself with one-time buy of a platinum tier watch. I did the on-demand option. I didn't subscribe to any of the monthlies or anything like that, just to give it a try to see how it goes. My love of watches started when my wife bought me a Citizen Eco Drive. It's really pretty. I love this watch so much. She got it for me as a present when I decided to go back to school, and it's meant everything to me. So it opened a gateway. A very, very deep hole has opened, and now I just want one of every watch that's out there. But this video is going to be an unboxing, a completely blind unboxing of an April Platinum tier watch. I don't know what it is, haven't even opened the outer packaging, and we'll see what we get. So the first thing I noticed picking this up is that this is for a watch that's supposed to be in here. Let me adjust that a little bit. Yeah, that's good. The box is remarkably heavy, so I can only expect some kind of really awesome packaging, or maybe the watch has a significant amount of weight. I don't know, but we will find out. Got too deep on that. It's like Christmas, but not Christmas. So, it's packed pretty well. Yeah? Peel back this first flap here. And we have... Is that what I think it is? Hold the phone. Okay, it says it's an Archon, or Archon, however one would like to pronounce it. Really, really well packaged here. I'm just going to kind of tilt it a little bit. It's got a box where the flap folds down in the front, and then it's got this other inner box right here, which is kind of attached to all the frilly bits. And the flap opens up. Oh, okay. So it's an Archon sea liner. Really beautiful. Absolutely love it. So let's take it out here. Very nice. Now the watch is probably what made up most of the weight of that box. It's an extremely heavy watch compared to what I'm used to. Just kind of feeling around in here, seeing if there's any kind of instructions or anything. And well, I can't find that right now, but I will, and I can't wait to wear this thing. It's just wow. So my first platinum tier watch. It's an Archon sea liner. Lovely details on it. It says, yeah, I'm sure you can find the specs on the WatchGang website, but this, thank you WatchGang. Wonderful first watch.